Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss how to set page layout, how to organize pages in an Excel sheet. Spreadsheet software provides various page layout options to organize pages through the page layout option. The page layout feature of Excel enables us to view and control the way our Excel sheet will look like on a printed page, including the page orientation, margin size and others. These options can be set by using the options under the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Page Layout tab on the ribbon. This is the Page Layout tab. Under this tab, we can see themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, etc. From this, we can choose the page setup option. The page layout option can be used to set margins, set orientation, set page headers and footers, hide or display grid lines, set size of the page, define the print area, specify the background. The page setup feature offers options like setting the margins, size of the page, orientation of the page, size of the paper, page breaks and other settings. Check this one: margins, orientations, size, print area, breaks, background, print titles, etc. We can see. How to set page margins? Here we can see the margin options from this page setup group. Click on this. Then we can see a drop down list. From that we can choose different options: normal, wide, narrow, custom margin, etc. We can choose this narrow option. Then we can see the page margins like this. Page margins. Okay. The next one, orientation. Portrait or landscape. Which orientation page we need? We can choose any one. Portrait means vertical alignment. Landscape means horizontal alignment. Next one, size of the page. Click on the size option. Then a drop down list we can see. From that we can choose A4, A3, letter, legal, etc. Which one we need? That option we can select from this. Size of the page. Then print area. Set the print area. Clear the print area. Add to print area. We can use this clear the print area. Then that print area is cleared from this. Then we can set the print area. Click on this. Then set the print area. These all data have to be inserted to the print area. Okay. A margin is the space between our content and the edge of the page. By default, the normal margin settings are applied to an Excel sheet, which is a 1-inch white space between the content and each edge of the page. Sometimes we may need to adjust the margins to make our data fit more comfortably on the page. A variety of predefined margin size are available in Excel. Margin sizes. Click on this margins option. We can see different types of margin sizes. We can choose any one: normal, white, narrow, etc. Then we can set the margins according to our requirement. For that we can choose this custom margins option. Click on this margins tab. Top. We can choose our own way. Then OK. That particular way that margin is set in this page. Okay, clear? Next one, setting the print area. We can select a worksheet or part of the worksheet as the print area. Once you select a print area, only that part of the worksheet will be printed. We can also set multiple print areas in a worksheet. Click on the print area option, then set the print area. A dashed line appears around the selected cells, indicating that the area has been set as the print area. Only this area will appear in the print preview option and will be printed on giving the print command. Okay. How to set a background? Click on this background option, then choose any one picture, then insert. Then that picture will be inserted to that page. We can set that picture as a background. You can delete the background by clicking on this delete background option. Okay, clear? Next one, header and footer. A header is the information that appears at the top of each printed page, and a footer is the information that appears at the bottom of each printed page. By default, new workbooks do not have headers and footers. Excel offers the options of adding the header and footer to display important information about your worksheet. How to insert header and footer? Click on this View tab, then click on this Page Layout option. Then we can see click to add header. Click on that. We can add the header Sri Gokulam Public School. Then we can set the footer. At the end of the page, we can see the click to add footer Guruvayur. Okay, clear? In this way, we can add the header and footer to a worksheet. Okay, clear? Okay students, I hope it's clear to you. These all are very easy topics. The notes of the topic is attached. Go through it and study very well. Take care. Thank you.